This question is based on a line graph. So again, as explained in the previous question, let us analyze this graph, students, and then let us understand what is given in the data. That analysis of this data will take 20 to 30 seconds. That's all. After that, answering the questions are very, very easy. So take some time and practice this type of question. Number of students enrolled in a enrolled for coaching in an institute given years. So in a coaching institute in 2004, 50 students enrolled. In 2005, 75 students enrolled. In 2006, 70 students enrolled. In 2007, 100 students enrolled. In 2008, 200 students enrolled. In 2009, also 200 students enrolled. And in 2010, we have 225 students enrolled. So over the years from 2004 to 2010, the number of students increased from 50 to 225. So this is the data given in the given line graph. This type of graph are line graphs. Earlier we have seen bar graph. Now we are seeing line graph. Okay, so what are the questions based on this graph? Let us see the first question. The first question is, what is the approximate average for the given years? What is the approximate average for the given years? So approximate average for the given years, here you can see 50, 75, 70, 100, then 200, again 200 and 225. So total it becomes how much? 50 and 75, 70, 100, 200 plus 200 plus 225. So total it becomes 920. You can add it fast. 50, then 75, then 70, then 100, 200, again 200, 225. You can start from either side. So here it is 225, here it is 400. So 625 plus 100, 725, 725 plus 75, 800, 800 plus 120, 920. This way you can easily add. So 920 divided by how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. So 920 divided by 7. So when you do it, it becomes approximately 131. Okay, approximately 131. So 131 is the answer. So you can mark option D as the correct answer. That's the approximate average. 131, it's exact average. 130 point something. Okay, 131 is the approximate average. So next question. So next question, again, the question is based on a bar graph. The question is about a demand and supply record of 5 different companies, and answer the following questions based on the given graph. So let us take some time to analyze the graph. Here we have 5 different companies. You can see alpha, beta, gamma, delta and echo. 5 companies, and this blue line gives the demand and yellow line gives the supply. So demand and supply record, what is given in the question is demand and supply record. Okay, so here you can see alpha, the demand is 3000 and supply is 1500, and beta demand is 600 but they supplied 1800. Company gamma demand is 2500 and supply is only 1000. Delta demand is 1200 and they supplied 2700, and echo the demand is 3000 and the supply is 2200. So here you can see what is the total demand and what is the total supply? So demand total, let us write that for students. What is the demand total? Here you have 3000, then here 600, 2500, 1200 and 3300. So when you add it, becomes 3000 and 3300. It becomes 6300, 6300 and 1200, 6300, 7300, 7500 plus 2500, 10,000, 10,000 plus 600. So total it becomes 10,600. That is the total demand. And what is the total supply? Total supply, here you have 1500, here you have 1800. So this become 3300 plus 1000, 4300, then 4300 and 2700 is 7000, 7000 and 2200, 9200. So supply is 9200. This is the first information you have to note in your notebook or in your question paper. Once you are clear with this data, then we can go to the question and answer the question. Let us see what are the questions. Question number 1. The demand for company beta is approximately what percentage of the demand for company gamma? So here you can see demand for company beta. Demand for company beta is 600 and demand for company gamma is how much? 2500. So 2500 and 2000 and 600 are the company. So demand for company beta is approximately what percentage of the demand for company gamma? So 2600 is approximately what percentage of 2500? So we can say 600 upon 2500 into 100. You can cut this 125, 25 you can cut. In 100 it is 4 times. So in 600 it is 24 times. So the answer is 24%. 24% is the correct answer. Kindly note it. Then we will go to the next question. So the most important point here is analyze the data. Then once you are clear with this data, then only attempt the questions. Then it will be easy. And you have to practice a lot. Okay. The complete question paper is given in the app, Trace the Learning app. You can download the complete question paper and take your preparations to the next level. Very, very important. Exclusive question paper is given for data interpretation, which is very useful for all competitive exams. Okay. So download the app, Trace the Learning app from Google Play Store today and take your preparation to the next level. All these sample papers are absolutely free. The link is given in the description. You can download the app today. Let us go to the next question. The supply of company delta is how many times that of the supply of company alpha? So here again, every time you need to write it. This is only for practice. I am writing all these things. You have to read the question from the given data, analyze it fast and then mark the answer. Here what is asked? Supply of company delta. So here you have for company delta, the supply is how much? 2700. And that is how many times the supply of company alpha. Company alpha, the supply is how much? 1500. So this is how many times? So you can just divide 0, 0, 0, 0. You can cut it with 3. How many times? 9 times. Here 3, 5 times. So you got 9 by 5. When you cut this 9 by 5, 1 5s are 5, remaining 4. So 4 you can say 8 times. So 1.8 is the answer. So our required answer is 1.8 times. So accordingly you can mark the correct answer as 1.8. Very, very important. Please note it. Let us go to the next question. So the next question is, what is the difference between average demand and average supply of 5 companies taken together? Very important question. What is the difference we have to find out? between what? Average demand and average supply. So what we have to do is, first we will find out the average demand, then we will find out the average supply, average demand and average supply, and we have to find out the difference between these two. So average demand means what? Average demands, we have seen the total demand is equal to 10,600 divided by how many companies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 companies are there, minus what is the total supply we have seen. The total supply we have seen is 9,200 divided by 5. So if I cut this, I'll get 2120. If I cut this, I will get 1840. What is the difference between 2120 and 1840? 0, 8 and 2. 280 is the difference. 2120 and 1840, when you subtract, 0 minus 0, 0, 12 minus 4, 8, and 20 minus 8, 280. So 280 is the correct answer. So accordingly, you can mark the correct option as option C. What is asked? Understand this question very clearly. What is the difference? Difference is what we have to find out. Difference between what? Average demand and average supply. So average demand is total demand divided by 5 companies. So we got 2120. What is the average supply? Average supply is total supply divided by 5. We got 1840. So now 2120 and 1840, when you do the subtraction, we got it is equal to 280. So 280 is the correct answer. Accordingly, you can mark the correct option. Okay, so average means what? Total divided by total number of companies. So here we have already seen the total number is 10600. So accordingly, you can mark it, and then we'll go to the next question. So the next question is based on pie chart. So this is also one of the very important representation of data. It is given in percentages. You can see P, Q, R, S, T, all these are given in percentages. So always understand the total percentage will be 100. One of the very important point here you have to understand is, when you add all these values, the total percentage will be always 100% here also, and the total percentage here also will be 100%. Okay, sometimes it is given in degrees, sometimes it is given in percentage. If it is given in degrees, always remember, whenever you have a pie chart, if it is given in percentage, the total percentage will be always 100%. If it is given in degrees, the total degree measurement will be always 360 degree. So that degree measurement questions are basic questions which we have already seen in the part number 1 previous week class. So this is talking about percentage. So total percentage will be 100%. Now let us see why two charts are given. Here you have pie chart 1 and here you have pie chart 2. Pie chart 1, what it gives? Pie chart 1 given below shows the percentage of students admitted in various educational programs P, Q, R, S, T and U. So pie chart 1 gives you what? Pie chart 1 gives you educational program. Okay, and pie chart 2 shows the number of boys admitted. So this pie chart 2 shows what? The pie chart 2 shows boys only. Total number of students are 1200. So the total number of students, here you have total number of students is 1200, which includes 800 girls. So now it is understood how many boys will be there. Boys will be 400. Very, very important data, students. Understand. Total number of students is 1200. So we have total number is equal to 1200, out of which we have boys and girls. So girls, it is given 800. So boys will be how much? Boys will be 400. So these all are the important information we got from the question. Answer the following questions based on the graph. Before going to the questions, let us write something here, students. Here P, Q, R, S, T and U. We have, these all are the segregations. So total we have how much? Total we have 1200. So if 1200 students are there, what is 20% of 1200? 20%. See, we know 10% of 1200 is 120. You have to cut 10 to find out 10%, cut 10. So 10% is 120. So what is 20%? 20% will be 240. Q is what? 15%. So now again 10% is 120, 5% will be 60. So 15% will be 120 plus 60, 180. These all are mental calculations you can do very fast. R is how much? R is 5%. 10% of 1200 is 120. So what is 5%? 5% will be 60. Then S is 35%. So 35% means 10% plus 10% plus 10% plus 5%. 10% is 120. So 30% is 360. 360 plus 5% is 60. So total S will be how much? 420. Similarly, you can calculate all this T and U. T is 12%. 10% is 120. So 1% will be 12. 2% will be 24. So 120 plus 24, 144. Understand very clearly all these steps. Then last one, 13% will be 156. See, this is the case. 1200 is the total. So 10% will be equal to what? Cut 10. So when you cut 10, it becomes 120. If 10% is 120, what is 5%? 5% is half of this. What is half of 120? 60. If 10% is 120, what will be 1%? 1% is again cut to 10. It will be 12. If 1% is 12, you can see 2% will be equal to 24. Then 3% will be equal to 36. Like that, any percentage we can calculate. This is this part. Now, how many boys are there? Accordingly, you can calculate for P, Q, R, S, T and U. So we have seen out of this 1200, we have 800 girls and 400 boys. So the total boys is 400. The total boys is 400 only. Out of this 400, 30% is P. So what is 30% of 400? We know 10% is 40. 10% is 10% of 400 is equal to 40. So what will be 5%? 5% will be equal to 20. What will be 1%? 1% will be equal to 4. So what will be 2%? 2% will be equal to 8. What will be 3%? 3% will be equal to 12. What will be 4%? 4% will be equal to 16. Like that. So 30%, 10% is 40. So 30% will be equal to how much? 120. So here we have P equal to 120 boys. So this 120 boys are here. So here you can understand here total we have 240 students. Out of this 240 students for P, 120 students are for boys. So remaining 120 will be girls. Q is 10%. 10% is how much? 40. R is just 2%. So 2% is 8. Now it is very easy for you. You can easily calculate it. What is S? S is 30%. 10% is 40. So 30% also again will be 120. We have already calculated here. Then T is how much? T is 14%. 10% is 40 and 4% is 16. So 14% will be 56. And what is U? U is again 14%. It will be 56. So total when you add, you will get here 400. Total when you add here, you will get 1200. Now you have how many boys are there, how many girls are there. Kindly note all this data. Then we will go to the questions based on this. Very important. Based on this information, this much information we can get from the given data. Based on this information, we have to answer the questions given after this graph. Very important. So 1200 is the total number of students, and out of that it is given 800 are girls. So it is understood remaining 400 are boys. From the remaining 400 boys, we have divided this percentage to get the number of boys, total 400. Here you have total 1200. So total 1200, this is the data given for total number of students. So now note this, let us go to the questions. I hope you have completed it. So pause the video if you have not completed and then go to the question. Here is your first question. For program S, what is the respective ratio of boys and girls? For program S, so see, we have seen for program S, we have boys, total we have how much? Total we have 420. Out of that, boys 120 and we have girls. So 420 minus 120, 300 girls. So what we need to find out? We need to find out the ratio of boys to girls. 120 by 300. So 120 by 300, you can cut this, and here 3 will go 4 times. Here 3 will go 10 times. Again you can cut 2 times and 5 times. So 2:5 is the required ratio. 2:5. 2:5 is not there in the given option. So you can write none of this is the correct answer. Understand very clearly. For program S, here you can see 35%. Program S is 35%. We have already calculated total student is how much? 1200. Out of that 1200, what is the 35% of 1200? You can cut the zeros and the zeros and it becomes 420. Now this is a total number of students. So that is what students we have taken. Total number is equal to 420. But here we have for S 30% are boys. That means total boys is we have 400 only. Out of that 30%. So you can cut this 0 and this 0. 430s are 120. 120 are boys. So we have taken 120 are boys. Out of 420 total, 120 are boys. So it is understood 300 are girls. Now once you got boys and girls, you can find out the ratio between boy to girl. So that is 120 by 300, you got 2:5. So since the answer is not there in the option, you can note it as none of these. I hope you understood. This way you can easily answer all the questions once you understand the given data. So what is the important thing here? Analyze the given data first. What all are the information given in your question? Understand that, write it by the side of your question paper and then start solving the given question. Very, very important. So next question. The number of boys is the same for which pair of the following programs? Here you have already written that and we have seen the number of boys for same. So here you can see P and S, it is same, P and S. Similarly, U and T are same, U and T are same. So P and S, U and T. U and T is not there in the option, but P and S is there in the option. So P and S is the correct answer. Here also it is 30%. Here also it is 30%. So P and S are equal. Similarly, U and T are equal. So U and T is also correct option, but correct answer. But in the option U and T is not given. So we will go with the P and S. Very easy question. Kindly note it. Then we will go to the next question. So the next question is, for program T, the number of girls is how much percentage more than the number of boys? See, for program T, for program T, what is the total number of students? 12%. So 12% means 12% of 1200. So we got total how much? Total students is equal to 144. We have already seen all these things. Out of which, for program T, 14% is boys. 14% of 400. So boys is equal to 56. So it is understood girls will be how much? Girls will be equal to 88. 144 minus 56. Now we need to find out what is the percentage, how much percentage more. So more means 88 minus 56 is equal to how much? 32. 32 is what percentage of 56? 32 by 56 into 100. What is asked? How much percentage more? So total boys is 56, total girls is 82. That means girls are 32 more than boys. 32 more than boys. So that 32 is what percentage? So when you calculate, you can do it, and this will become 57.1 percentage when you simplify. Accordingly, you can mark the correct option as option C. Kindly note it. These calculations are you can easily do. If you are not thorough with the percentage, kindly search percentage video, and we have already completed that topic. So you can get it that topic in the YouTube, search for that and watch that first. Next question. For which program is the number of boys is minimum? So number of boys is minimum 2%. That is for program R. So it is a direct question. You can mark answer C. For number of boys is minimum, that is 2%. 2% of 400 will be approximately is equal to 8 boys only. So R is the correct answer, which is a direct answer. Next question. How many girls are there in program R? How many girls are there in program R? So for program R, what is the total? What is the total for program R? You can see 5% is the total. 5% of 1200. So 5% of 1200 is 60. Out of that 60, we have seen only 2% is boys. 2% of 400 is 8. So remaining 52 will be girls. So how many girls will be there? 52. You can mark the correct option as 52. Total is 60. 5% of 1200, out of which 2% of 400 is boys. That is 8 boys. So you can say the remaining is girls. So these all are the very important questions, students. Again, I am reminding you, if you are not thorough with data interpretation questions, kindly download the app Trace the Learning app from Google Play Store. The link is also given in the description. You can download it and download the complete sample papers free. And you can purchase the courses also on data interpretation. We have exclusive courses for data interpretation. You can easily purchase these courses from the app Trace the Learning app. Download the app today and take your preparation to the next level.